Nikon Z50 review. Another mirrorless marvel from Nikon, but the mid-range competition is very hot. Teach reader verdict. The Nikon Z50 is an excellent double for the company in the crowded APS-C mirrorless market. It's an ideal travel camera and it's also a great option for those looking to move from a Nikon DSLR or who just love the brand. Offering great handling, excellent value, and a set of enticing features, there's a lot to like about the Z50, even if it does fall a little short in a few areas. Pros: great handling, good value, impressive viewfinder and screen, great for level travel. SD card more common than XQD. Cons: title screen can't be used with tripped, no joystick for selecting AF points, just a single UHS card slot, limited native lens range. Nikon made a spectacular debut in the mirrorless full-frame world with the Nikon Z6, an all-rounder that currently sits atop of our best camera list, and now it's trying to repeat the trick for APS-C cameras with the dinkier, more hobbies-friendly Nikon Z50. What are APS-C cameras? This sensor format became dominant in the early days of DSLRs and is used in cameras that see sight below full frame models similar than full frame and called DX format by Nikon. These sensors are found in more compact, affordable bodies that are great for travel. Note that the Nikon Z50 is small for an APS-C camera, frames thinking for those who might be moving from its DSLRs. Nikon has prioritized handling in the form of a generous grip at the expense of ever small body. That is the selling card of cameras like the Fujifilm X-T30. Central to the Z50 is its use of the same Z mount that debuted in the Z7 and Z6. This means you can use all of the exciting lenses that have already been announced for the Z range, as well as exciting for F-mount DSLR lenses via an optional adapter. However, there have been two lenses especially created for the DX format which are said to be joined by plenty of other over times. Those lenses are a 1650 mm f over 3.5 5.6 pancake lens, which is the standard kit lens, and a 50 to 50 mm telephoto, which you can buy separately or as part of an excellent value twin lens kit with the Z50. Nikon Z50 features same Z mount as Nikon Z6 over Z7, electronic viewfinder and tilting touchscreen, 20.9 MP APS-C DX format sensor. At the heart of the Z50 is a 20.9 MP sensor which is joined by an Expeed 6 processor, the same engine as found in the Nikon Z6 over Z7, although this has the same pixel count as the Nikon D500 DSLR. We are told it's not the same sensor. The Expeed engine helps to facilitate features like 4K video recording as well as the native ISO range, which starts as low as ISO 50 and tops out at ISO 25600. Also joining the party from the Z6 is the same hybrid autofocusing system with 209 on sensor AF points. They cover approximately 90% of the frame and promise to deliver edge to edge sharpness.